Why is it that Igbo people like following the pages of those people that are fighting Igbo nation online? That guy called George Oibbe. George Oibbe was once a member of IPOB. He was a very active member. But as he can't get issue with IPOB, he started talking bad against Igbo nation, telling you that there is nothing like Igbo unity and Yoma people are not Igbo people. This George Oibbe, he said that he's from Ika. He's now making videos now saying that Ika people are not Igbo people, Ukwane people are not Igbo people, Oshimiri and Anyocha people are not Igbo people. Igbos are expansionists, Biafra agenda, these, IPOB, they are thieves, they are bad people, they are clean people, they are this, they are that. But when he was a member of IPOB, he was preaching saying that Anyoma people are Igbo people, Ukwane people are Igbo people, Ika people are Igbo people, Oshimiri and Anyocha people are Igbo people, Ikwere people are Igbo people. He was saying the history of all these Igbo regions. He was saying how they were all connected. He was exposing the evil agenda of Yoruba people against Igbo nation and so on. As he just get issue with IPOB, he started propagating that Anyoma people are not Igbo people, started doing all sort of rubbish online. Now that he is fighting Igbo agenda, the major people that are still following him on his page are Igbo people. Ndi Igbo, why is it that people that hate Igbo nation, you are the major people following those people online? 70 to 80% of people following this George Oibbe online are Igbo people. They are under his page, laying curses on him. You know, go better for you. May Chuku punish you. This, that. Why can't you people see that this person is a mad person? Ignore him. Igbo people are so emotional. Una not sabi keep some kind people quiet. I have been saying this thing on my page that Igbo nation, stop following George Oibbe, stop commenting on his page. One thing that Igbo nation should understand is that nothing George Oibbe go fit do, now only to come online they talk rubbish. All his talking and backing ends online. He cannot stop Anyoma state. He cannot stop Igbo agenda. That guy is pained and frustrated. I saw some Yoruba bloggers saying that Yoruba people should stay away from George Oibbe's page. That guy not get work wey they do again. So now content monetization he take the chop now. Igbo nation, person where hate una, where they online, go take una the cash out. The ones where they do fake love, go still take una the cash out. Why? Why are you people so emotional? Where una follow George Oibbe, they go online. Where are you people following him to? The guy go post, check 100 comments for that place, na Igbo people. Instead of you to be following pages of Igbo people that are doing meaningful things, you dey follow George Oibbe. George Oibbe is just a distraction. All those people, I don't block all of them. You know go fit see their yeye self pop out for my FYP. You know go see am. If I just show this people say they preach hate against Igbo nation, blah blah blah, all those mad people, I block them. Mad people like Reno Mokri, I don't block all those people. The major people following Reno Mokri today are Igbo people. Reno Mokri, for him to stay relevant, he is busy dragging Igbo people, dragging P2B. The animal was dragging Tinubu before, but as Tinubu come meet him, he and Tinubu shake hand, come unite, finish. He stopped dragging Tinubu and started dragging P2B. Before Tinubu became the president of Nigeria, during that presidential campaign, this animal called Reno Mokri was busy dragging Tinubu, saying that Tinubu is a drug lord, Tinubu is this, Tinubu is that. After election, he just meet Tinubu, they can't shake. Look at the pictures here. Since then, This idiot stop dragging Tinubu. He is dragging P2B now. He is only dragging P2B to stay relevant. All these people wey hate Igbo nation, they go wan do something where be say they go dey relevant, and that is by dragging Igbo people. When they drag Igbo people, they make money from it on social media through content monetization. Igbo nation, stop following people like George Oibbe. Stop following people like Reno Mokri. Stop following people that are fighting Igbo nation online. Stop following people that hate Igbo nation online. No matter what they post, no matter what they say, ignore them. They can't do anything. Now just that backing, they go back. All those things are distraction. I have seen the pages of non-Igbos. These people, they're not the Igbo people. They could just come out and they talk, say, Igbo people are the best people in Nigeria. Igbos are good people. Igbos are kind people. If I want to marry, I will marry from Igbo land. All these things, they sweet Igbo people for mind. Once they just hear and they say, this person like us, so they go start to follow that person. They thought all those love is genuine. They don't know that that thing is fake love. That person just won't take Igbo people, they chop for social media. How you go like Igbo nation pass your own tribe? You leave your own tribe. They talk sweet things about Igbo nation. All your page morning till night na Igbo nation, I like Igbo people. You are not Igbo. Why not promote your own tribe? Because these people, some of them, their tribe not pass 100,000 people in population. So they need the presence of Igbo people. They know say Igbos are the most populous people in Nigeria. The most populous tribe in Nigeria na Igbo people. We full social media. Every angle for social media, Igbo people they there. So in order to get the attention of Igbo people, they start saying sweet things about Igbo nation. So many of them will come out and be telling you the 1966 coup was never an Igbo coup, this, that, Igbo people are kind, Nigeria government was killing Igbo people during the Biafra war, this, that. They will start to talk all those sweet things. Igbo nation, why be say so many of una need validation from non-Igbos to feel happy, to feel accepted. Not that I go talk say the 1966 coup was never an Igbo coup. You go see Igbo people go flock, enter in page. It was 100 followers the guy get before. The person go just hit 20,000 followers in just a week. Where that imposted the trend. All those followers, where are they from? They are Igbo people. Following that person because the person thought say the 1966 coup was never an Igbo coup. Make one not and just come to say, Nigeria, stop marginalizing Igbo people. Igbo people did not do this one. Igbo people do not do this one. They are the best people. They are kind. They are loving. My father was brought up in Enugu. He have a land in Enugu. He have a investment in Enugu. If the person just talk all the same, boom, Igbo people don't start to follow am for a page. They encourage and do more. We like what you are doing. Oh, Nigeria government don't do Igbo. States where we say we now need validation from people that are not Igbo people to be happy, to be accepted, to smile. What a shame. I know so many of these people on social media. One girl for Facebook, she's from the north. All her posts is Igbo people, Igbo people, Igbo people are so good, Igbo people are so kind. All her posts Igbo, Igbo, Igbo. The thing called they irritate me. I'm gonna tell our people online say this girl not be saying she like Igbo people, but na strategy to take survive. She don't study Igbo nation. No, say we Igbos, we are being hated in this country. She don't know say Igbos want to be loved. She don't know say Igbos want to be accepted. She don't know say Igbos want to be happy. Igbos are passing through marginalization. She can't think, what is she going to do to get the attention of these people to boost her page? She started talking about Igbo people. She just written and say, what is she going to do to get the attention of these people? She started talking sweet things about Igbo nation. This girl page done the clock 1 million followers now for Facebook. Person where be say before her page not even reach 100,000 followers. Igbo nation don't follow this girl. Her page don't they grow. I am telling you what these content creators that are not Igbos are doing. They say sweet things about Igbo nation to grow. Stop saying good things about Igbo nation. Focus on your tribe. Talk about your own tribe. Leave Igbo nation alone. We don't need the validation of anybody to be happy. We don't need their validation to be accepted. Igbo people, wise up. Understand social media. Stop commenting and talking under the pages of people that hate Igbo nation. If they talk say Igbos are not one people, ignore the post, no comments, just pass. If you see pages of people saying Igbos are bad people, Igbos are this, Igbos are that, they fight Igbo agenda, they talk all sort of nonsense about Igbo nation, ignore them. If you see them, block them. All those non-Igbo people that are from other tribes that come online saying sweet things about Igbo people, almost on their page na Igbo matter, Igbo matter, Igbo matter. They are just saying all those things to get the followership of Igbo people. Make Igbo people they follow their page, make their page they grow. I don't they talk these things since, but so many of our Igbo brothers they not go here. You not be Igbo person, all your page you are always talking about Igbo people to get Igbos as followers. You go see page of person where they say that person not be Igbo person, no, but that person they fight Yoruba people all the time. Yoruba people, you people are the problem of Nigeria. You people are this, you people are that. You go see Igbo people go through that person page. They support the person. You are right. Yoruba people are this, Yoruba people are that. All those things now strategy. The person knows say Igbo and Yoruba not follow the same road. They know that Igbos and Yoruba don't like each other. They are rivals. So for that person to get Igbo followers, he go start to talk bad about Yoruba people. Igbos go start to follow that person. Igbo nation, we have so many things that we want to achieve. We get so many things for our head where we the champion. Avoid all these unnecessary pages. Avoid all these people online. Focus on Igbo agenda. Instead of us to focus, say, we want a Yoruba state. We want this. We want that. We want support. Focus. Let's stay focused and avoid all these people that don't have sense that are trying to use we Igbos to cash out online. You dey follow George Oibbe, where you dey follow and go? You dey follow Reno Mokri, where you dey follow and go? Yourself suppose to say these people are mad people, avoid them. No, you dey follow mad people online. You go see many Igbo people, they correct them for pay. Stop fighting Igbo people. What have we done to you? All the rubbish where they talk end online. We know say na propaganda they do, but ignore them. If you ignore person, the person go tire. If I want drag all this year, people when they fight Igbo agenda, I go just take video where the person do. Take the person, pass message, give our people. You go see some non-Igbos go to say, Anema people are not Igbos. I go drag the mumu, wash the animal, hands down. I don't take the person, pass message, give our people. If our people see them, they will grab that message. That is what I do. I don't go to their page to comment. I don't follow them. Where they follow Bubu, they go. We Igbos have our own agenda. Let's stay focused. Stop following people that don't matter. If they won't grow their page, boom, they will start to talk about Igbo nation. Go pages that are owned by Igbo people. You will not see Yoruba people there. Yoruba people, when they follow such page, they very few. My page on Facebook, Yoruba people where they follow me, they very few. Because they know say, I know be Yoruba Ronu like them. Yoruba people only follow their fellow bigots online. Yoruba people like them, neither they follow online. If you go Reno Mokri page, now Yoruba people full there. If you go other Yoruba pages, where we say those pages are agenda, now to the fight Igbo nation, now there you go see Yoruba people there plenty. You go still see some Igbo people, they there, they comment, they talk. What have we done to you people? Why are you people always attacking us online? They go start to correct those people. Why you they correct people when you see that mumu they be? Instead of seeing all those pages and pass, or you block them, you there they comment, they waste your time. Igbo nation, mind what you follow online. If you want to follow comedy pages, fine. If you want to follow entertainment pages, fine. Avoid all these people that are saying sweet things about Igbo nation just to get followers. Let them talk about their own tribe and leave Igbo nation alone. Igbo people, stop being emotional. We are so emotional. When you are so emotional, people will take advantage of it. You dey follow Reno Mokri and George Oibbe, two mumu people we don't useless their life. You dey follow them. Reno Mokri is dragging Igbos to stay relevant. If not, that man is irrelevant. George Oibbe is one of the most irrelevant people in Nigeria today. No one can trust him again, because if he go fit the fight IPOB where we say he was an active member before, he can betray anything. If Yoruba people start to work with George Oibbe, he go betray them one day for Fulani people. If Fulani people trust George Oibbe today, he go betray Fulani people for Ijaw people. So now ye person, Igbo nation, mind who you follow on social media. Avoid people like George Oibbe and Reno Mokri. Stop following pages that hate Igbo nation. Stop following pages that are preaching hate against Igbo nation. Stop following non-Igbos that are saying sweet things about Igbo nation all the time on their platforms. Those people are only using we Igbos to create content and stay relevant and earn social media money. Stay blessed, my people. Ishia Wale.